Hi, I'm Phil from Stokes Heating. First of all, I'd like to thank Tool Talk for sending me the Monument blow lamp. It feels very well built. The air inlet tubes are built into the cast rather than having the brass section at the top, which I've snapped off before. This head is solid, there's no movement, no Allen keys to tighten up, it's just built and it's there, ready to go. It has the usual on-off lock switch and the gas tap on the back. Light in and lock in, simple enough, and you got full control of that flame. I've used this now for the last few weeks and it's been really reliable. It feels really robust in the hand, and that trigger switch it just feels solid. It's great. Thank you for Tool Talk for sending it to me.